Hey everyone, welcome back to Cookscraftery. Today we're talking about one of my all-time favorite meals, Chicken Florentine. It's creamy, savory, and just pure comfort on a plate. But do you know what takes it to the next level? The perfect side dishes. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 amazing sides that pair beautifully with Chicken Florentine. Let's get started. First up is roasted asparagus with a splash of lemon. The asparagus gets a slight crispiness when roasted, and the lemon adds a fresh, zesty flavor. Next, we have garlic parmesan mashed potatoes, fluffy potatoes with roasted garlic and parmesan cheese. These mashed potatoes are rich and savory. For indulgence, try spinach and parmesan risotto. Creamy, cheesy, and full of flavor. If you're looking for something light but flavorful, sautéed broccolini with garlic is the way to go. The slight sweetness of the broccolini, paired with the aroma of garlic, gives your meal that perfect balance. Finally, you can never go wrong with garlic bread. It's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and perfect for soaking up every bit of that delicious creamy sauce from your Chicken Florentine. And there you have it, 5 perfect sides to serve with Chicken Florentine. Let me know in the comments which one you'll be trying, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tasty ideas. See you next time.